Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway. This is the section by Bulby. Now this road goes from Kingston to Portland and it's a major road project undertaken by the Jamaican government. Now this road looks like one of the toll roads you find in Jamaica on the highway, but this road is not a toll road, you don't have to pay to use it. And it should finish this year. This project has been going on for quite some time. I must say this road is taking a very long time to be completed. But with this section that we're driving on now, the major road repairs or construction has been done. I think the only thing left is, well, in some sections it needs a white line, but this section has the white line in it. And this is a 4-lane dual carriageway that takes you from Kingston to Portland. Actually, the 4 lanes is from Kingston to Albion, right before you get to the bridge. And then from Albion to Portland, it's going to be 2 lanes. And this road has opened up St. Thomas to a lot of investments. The the Sun Coast Beach Club, Mark Bay Urban Center, just to name a few. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you think about this road and how long it's taking to complete. Alright guys, have a good day.